Hello viewers, if you are using Thinkorswim, then today's video is for you. Today I'm going to teach you how to day trade on Thinkorswim. So let's get started. Start by opening and funding a TD Emirate account. Many traders keep at least $25,000 in a margin account to avoid day trading limits. Then launch Thinkorswim and log in and choose live or paper trading. Once done, you can set up your workspace. Here open charts and indicators like VWAP or moving averages and enable the active trader panel for quick order placement. You can use the scan feature to find active stocks with strong volume and price movement. When trading, set position size, stop loss, and profit targets before entering. Use fast order types like limit or bracket orders. Remember, always focus on risk management, keep stops in place, and follow a daily loss limit to protect your account. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.